Just buying a house, owning a proper house has always been an aspiration. Significant amount of the wealth that exists in their family is their house only. Real estate has outperformed gold, in a very big way. But understanding things beyond residential is tough. Beyond a normal couple of shops, no, most individuals have not figured out how to do commercial real estate.
Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of On the Way with Shesh. So Shesh, when it comes to investments, a lot of investors are betting on residential real estate over commercial. Why do you think this trend prevails?
One of the aspiration for people have always been to own their own house, right? Today, maybe more people, I think housing ownership percentage and all has been increasing. But historically, if you see, just buying a house, owning a proper house has always been an aspiration. See, the primary house originally was, of course, not meant necessarily for wealth creation in a way, right? They used to own as a social status or because we need a house. But over a period of time, the way appreciation has happened, a lot of people have realized significant amount of the wealth that exists in their family is their house only. So if you really go deep into India, majority of Indian people like, "Arey yaar, my wealth is in ghar and gold."
Yeah.
Again, if I see my own life, right? I was born in the 80s. Through that period, I would say real estate has outperformed gold, in a very big way. See, there are times when gold also does okay, but if you really look at a long-term growth, real estate has, outperformed in a very big way. The appreciation of these assets, right? Appreciation never gets taxed. Take an example. Let's say you put 1 crore and you got, let's say, 6%. So that 1 crore became 1 crore 6 lakhs if you're not drawing. But that 6 lakhs gets taxed. But wherein you had bought 1 crore property, that property has become 1 crore 10 lakhs after 1 year. Nobody is taxing the appreciation. So that's one of the advantage. People didn't understand stock market and many other investment avenues were not there. For them, that was one of the best income creation source, which was like a steady income and they can manage, right? Commercial real estate is designed to generate revenue. It's an income stream. Residential, lot of times is meant for living. But understanding things beyond residential is tough. Because see, ek to hai na, main land kharidunga. I know why it appreciates because tomorrow somebody may want to buy that land to build a house. I'll build an extra floor in my house. Hey, I know how to rent it out. I know the kind of people who will come. I can gauge the family. I can see the reasoning of who comes, why they take it, etc. Right? I think that's easy to understand. Now, commercial mein, if you look at the bigger cities, there is an office space. Now there may be hotels, there may be hospitals. These are all a lot more complex, which sometimes even needs like consultants to tell, "Arey yaar, ye area mein hospital kholna hai ki nahi?" Understanding the contracts and liabilities, this becomes a little more professional. Beyond a normal couple of shops, no, most individuals have not figured out how to do commercial real estate, to be very honest, because it is a little more complex. Something that is designed for living in itself is not the best revenue generating, it's not designed for it. But when you build a commercial, right, hey, यहाँ पे office बना है तो क्या return मिलेगा, यहाँ पे hospital में क्या return आएगा, hey, if I make shops here in this area, what return will come? And you are in a good location, even for a small shop, imagine per square feet how much rent they are willing to pay. And also the maintenance parts. Residential may you have too many moving parts of a house, right? A lot of things get spoiled. Whereas a lot of times in commercial, you kind of end up building warm shell buildings. The tenant takes care of the rest. You don't invest on depreciating assets. And you're also able to think per square feet a lot more clearly. It's so clearly divided, structured. I think it's designed to rent and make income. Purely from an income point of view, it's not just a little bit more, it is many times more.
Thanks for tuning in into the very first episode of On the Way with Shesh. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more of such content about real estate.